Guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here, and Happy New Year's Day. Here's a remake. Well, it didn't go out as planned for the original, but I took down the Hunter original, and I'm gonna plan on doing a New Year's Day video of my Minka Aire Supra since I got a new remote for it. This is what the new remote looks like. Minka Aire air control. RC210. I wanted to get the 211, but that was too expensive, so I got a better deal out of that one, out of this remote. Well, the Concept 2 has the same remote though. But when I did a W&M video of this fan, well, basically W&M is where it makes a fan look like random lighters when you take a blade off. Well, when you take a blade off of this fan, I can make a W and an M with it. And while it's spinning, it could say it over and over again while it's spinning on low speed. So yeah, well, basically, this remote's gonna be, well, the Concept 2 has a similar remote, but, this remote will only be used with this fan, so, yeah, the old remote, unfortunately, starting to go bad, so the reason why it is because if you point it at a further direct, you have to point it, well, the old remote, you have to point it close to the fan to get it going, but this remote, you don't have to do it, because this remote is, because the old remote has a 9-volt battery, and those remotes tend to be a little bit weaker than these remotes right here, and the Monte Carlo remotes too. Well, this remote and the Monte Carlo remotes, they work good. Oh. My God. What is up with the Monte Carlo BS box? It needs to be taped so I can keep it protected. It's on the floor, so I get the blades. I think I'll put it back on the shelf after. So after I do a video, after I do a video of this fan. So yeah, here, without further ado, here is low speed. Oh, I'm gonna show light first. Oh my God, I thought the light was on. Well, I don't do demonstrations like this normally, but unfortunately, the light bulb broke on it because one time I was trying to unscrew it, and then I tried to unscrew the light off, and then it all of a sudden just dropped, and the wires came out, and it broke. And that was just only an accident. So yeah. Oh, dim the light. This is as dim as it goes. Let's brighten it. Here's low. I do like the low speed of this fan. It looks really nice. I've seen most Minka Aires have like 75 or 80 RPM lows, but the Magellan actually has a 62 RPM low. And the Minka Aire Magellan, those fans are really cool fans. They're nautical looking. Basically, they look like if it's installed in like a seafood restaurant. The Minka Aire Magellans look cool in a seafood restaurant because it kind of looks like a theme for like the ocean or something. Like a theme for like a restaurant, like a seafood restaurant or something summer related. But I'm sad the Minka Aire Magellan's discontinued. Well, that was a fan that I really want. I'm hoping to I'm looking for a Minka Aire Magellan one day for my collection. Because, man, those are childhood fans. Well, the Monte Carlo Vios is sort of a childhood fan, but well, it's because of I haven't seen one in person when I was a kid, but I've seen them in the 2013 Monte Carlo catalog, and I actually have the 2013 Monte Carlo fan catalog. It's about low. It's wobbling a little bit. I don't know why. Well, here is medium. The light. Let's dim the light. Well, normally when I run it on medium, you've seen me brighten up the light. You see me point the remote at the camera when I brighten the light up. Well, when it was off, but not gonna do it. Not gonna point the remote at the camera when it's on medium with the light on. Well, I'll do it when I dim it, but when I brighten it, I won't do it. So. I know I'm testing this fan with an LED bulb, but it seems to just like not turn off all the way when I do this. Oops, I didn't mean to dim it like that. As bright as it goes. Medium moves a good breeze on this fan. I really like medium speed on this fan too. So yeah, here's high. This fan sways a lot. I lost the cotter pin to it. Well, I need to find it. I'm using the cotter pin from a Fanimation down rod. I don't know where the Fanimation rounding bracket is. I think I'll have to go look for that too. My basement's kind of cluttered. Oh, my Concept 2 has a 66 RPM low speed, so I'm okay with that. It's a 66 RPM low speed. But I've seen most of the other models like have 80 RPM low speeds or something like that. I have to wait for it to stop when I reverse it because of I don't want to interrupt spin down. But here's spin down. Let's get the remote cradle for this fan. Gotta make sure to keep the remote cradle with it too. Anyway, so let's reverse it. I thought it had the, well, it has a reverse button on the remote, but I'm not going to use it. I did use it when I do W&M so the fan can pulse on and off. Not the light. Here's low. Excuse me. Yes, excuse me. Medium. Reverse. And high reverse. Oh, that scared me. Otherwise, I'm turning it off. Well, I don't want it to flip me out even more. Because if this fan falls, it will freak me out if this fan falls. But putting it back on low. And that is it. That is the Minka Aire Supra ceiling fan. It remake in 4K 60. Thank you for watching.